On the WIX editor, you want to choose where do you want to put your countdown later. So for example, I want to put it under my product section right here. I can just click on add section and then resize the section. After that, you want to click right here on add apps at the left side of your screen. Then on the WIX app market, you want to use the search bar and then search for countdown. Click on countdown. Here, there are various of the countdown application that you can add. But for this video, I will use this urgency countdown timer as it was having the most review. Just click on urgency countdown timer and then click on add to site. Click on agree and add and wait a bit for it to be added to your WIX site. And there you go, the countdown was added. You can just customize the countdown by click on it and then drag it all around. And you can also resize it as you like. And there you go. After that, on the countdown timer, you can just click on the settings right here. Here, just click on exit. First, you can choose the template. Just click on the template and then choose any template that you would like. And then choose the type. Here, you can choose to count down the date or count down just times. And then you can also choose any other type, but the one that have the star icon is the one that you need to pay before you use it. And then edit the time starts, the end date. Right now is June 30, so I can just click on the end date and then go back to June and then choose the same date. And then I can change the time right here by click on one of them, and there you go. The countdown will be in 1 hour. You can also change your title and then so on right here. And you can also change the design by click on no border or cycle and then customize any design on the layout, animation, the fonts, and the size, and so on. After that, just click on done right here at the top right of your screen. And that's how to add a countdown timer on WIX site. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.